And you know they call me Charlie, bitch. I'm Charlie, bitch.
Oh, you ain't know they call me
Charlie, bitch. I'm Charlie,
bitch.
I'm like, please don't get me started, bitch, cause I'm retarded, bitch. But when it come to this recording shit, I be the smartest, bitch. I go the hardest, I'm the farthest away from you farthest bitches. I'm the father of your partner because y'all some sons of bitches.
And my bitches is your mama, so you gotta honor this shit.
Or you could get hit with this llama since you want some drama, little bitch. I don't care about where you come from or about who you coming with, cause I'ma have that ass running since you think you running shit. Don't go to reaching for your gun because for one my gun equipped. I don't slip or go to sleep, and if I do I pray for grip. Have my little bro break your ankles, then I'll come snatch up your kicks, and then I put that shit on eBay cause I don't even want them shit. My joggers look like MC Hammer, so you know they too legit. Regardless, little nigga, I'll blame you and I'll put you on your shit.
And I do this shit for Marlon, bitch. I put my all in it until the police come and saw the shit. Just know they all can get it.
And that's why they call me Charlie, bitch. I'm Charlie, bitch.
Oh, you ain't know they call me
Charlie, bitch. I'm Charlie, bitch.
Trey G.
I'm Charlie, bitch. I'm